Climate change is a pressing reality that can be understood through observing seasonal changes in the trees around us. Changing weather patterns can change when trees put out leaves, flowers, and fruits, and this affects all life dependent on trees, including that of humans. It is vital to document how trees are changing with the climate for humans to adapt. Between January and December 2024, about 9,500 people from across India contributed 1,27,162 observations on tree seasonality in Season Watch, taking our total since 2011 to 8,14,996 observations. Observations were contributed by 389 adults and 9,000 children from 850 schools who monitored what 38,484 trees were doing on a weekly basis. 30 university and college campuses from all over India joined the Campus Phenology Network. About 70 students gathered over 17,600 observations on their campus trees. We trained 2,616 teachers over 112 outreach events and intensive workshops to monitor common, culturally important trees such as mango, jackfruit, and tamarind. About 2,000 community members across Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and Delhi were also provided hands-on training in the monitoring of region-specific trees, which are important for local livelihoods. About 530 nature enthusiasts attend 35 tree walks and connected with the larger community of tree lovers across 8 states. We conducted 2 intensive training workshops for 130 professionals and semi-professionals on the identification of plants. We also conducted classroom lectures for science undergraduate students in Odisha, Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Telangana on citizen science. We contributed to or participated in national level events such as the Global Science Festival, Manotsava, Inaugural Arboricultural Conference, and SITSI India 2024, highlighting the role of citizen science in research and society. We conducted webinars to create awareness about climate and environmental anxiety. 6 tree festivals were conducted across the year to highlight specific tree species with typical seasonal behavior. Data from Season Watch was presented at the Indian Wildlife and Ecology Conference and was utilized in writing 3 scientific papers. We led stall-based outreach or directly interacted with about 600 attendees at various conferences including Children Need Nature, ERA Restoring Natural Ecologies, and the Students' Conference on Conservation Science. 360,000 data points were uploaded to the Global Biodiversity Information Facility from Season Watch with explicit consent from contributors. This data has been used and cited more than 30 times in scientific studies. Our Climate Change Educator Handbook, created by teachers for teachers, is available for free download on our website and features age-appropriate, ecologically contextualized, hands-on activities for children to learn about climate change. We introduced this handbook to educators across India via communities of practice and figured out ways of assessing the effectiveness of the handbook as a teaching tool. We collaborated with undergraduate students of data and computer science at Boston University to create data summaries of tree seasonality. Tree enthusiasts contribute 22 tree stories for the Season Watch blog. Through these collective efforts, we are not only building a deeper understanding of how trees are responding to climate change, but also bringing children and adults closer to nature through observation and storytelling.